Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to enable dark mode in Google Classroom application using your Android device. This process also helps for your iOS device, so let's go ahead and get started. First of all, download and open up the Google Classroom application on your device and make sure that you're logged in using your Google account's credentials. After you're signed into the account, click on the three horizontal menu button at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. After you open up Settings, tap on Choose Theme. On the next page, tap Dark. You will notice the interface has now been switched to dark mode. You can again go ahead and select between System Default or Light option whenever needed from this menu. Now you know how to enable dark mode in Google Classroom on your smartphone or tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.